My name's Poppy. This is my dad's ear. This is my dad's mouth. Put them together and he looks like this.
My name's Sarah and I painted a mouth on a pillowcase.
My name's Holly. I painted this ear on a pillowcase.
My name's Sarah and these are the eyes I painted on my pillowcase.
Great art attack from Bedgebury School. Take each part of the face and put them together to make a jigsaw face. Now, there are loads of different ways that you can create the parts of the face. Here, I'm doing an ear print. Nice and smudgy there. I've been using face paint on my ears. Makes me look like a pixie. Now, I think for the nose, what I'm going to do is just use ordinary watercolour poster paint. See a nice big nose in the middle there. And 2 nostrils. I'm using loads of different colours here. It all adds to the silly effect. Now, for the eyes, another technique is to cut out eyes from a magazine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them there. I don't want to give it away too soon. And for the hair, I've taken some scrap paper and I've snipped slots in it like this and then just scrunched those bits up. So that's the hair. And for the mouth, well, I think what I'm going to do is try another technique. I'll do a mouth in felt tip pen. So I'm going to draw a big pair of juicy lips. There it is, down the bottom lip. Now, I'm going to draw a zigzag rectangle there. You'll see why in a minute. Colour the lips in. Make them nice and red and rosy. Just make that bit a bit bigger on the side there. And just keep colouring it in. And it doesn't matter if you leave little white bits, because it makes it look as if the lips are shining. And you can see what I'm doing with this rectangle here. Again, I'm leaving that white, and it looks like light is shining on those red lips. So, okay, just put the mouth in there like that. And there it is. And what do they look like when you put them all together? Well, we'll soon find out. Let's put the eyes in. Put them slanted a bit there, I think. Put the mouth up there. Let's see for these ears. I've done that ear. And the other ear here. There it is. And what does it look like with the hair on? Very silly, I think. Now, the good thing about doing faces in parts like this is that not only can you try out different features and make it even funnier, but if you do make a mistake on one of the features, you can throw it away and you don't have to start the whole thing again. Of course, you can make it as funny as you like, using any technique you like, as big as you like.